Good morning, everybody. So today we're at an Audi A2, and as you can see, the heater panel buttons are what we would call here minging. That's not a Chinese family, by the way, or emperor. So the buttons are in a terrible state. So there's always a solution. We went on eBay, and you can get replacement button decals, I think they call it. So what you do is a bit of white spirit, rub them down. Then you're meant to take all this kind of, it's coming off, flaky material, and then you put the button right over the top. So there's before, and hopefully after will look a whole lot better. I'll get back to you. Roddy's got to get a wee rub here with it. I think the idea is you scrape off the material so the light can then shine through. I think that's the idea. But we're not too bothered too much for that. In fact, that's what it will be, Roddy. See the plus bit? That would be do the job.
That's right, just for the light to go through it.
Aye, that'll do. Right.
Right.
So you're meant to remove it with your knife. It's a wee bit squinty. I think it's maybe.
Yeah.
It's a wee bit squint, I think, Roddy. That wee bit at the top's just needing straightened up.
Right. Just take it out a wee bit. Knife.
Is it tough stuff?
Tough stuff.
That's better. That's it. Look at Jesus.
Glossy.
There's a wee cloth. Yeah, that looks good. Perfection. We had to get it right. This is the centre of excellence. So I think that looks not too bad.
Aye.
We'll get back to you for the rest.
Right. No, what's a badge in that tape?
So that's the finished result. I'm sure you'll agree it's not perfect, but it's a whole lot better than what it was before. So what I think we're going to do is maybe get some back to black and put it around there just to try and make the rest meet in with that, but certainly looks far better than what we had before. So there you go, £5 off at eBay. I'll put a link in the description. Cheers!